Welcome back to the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. In this video, we will talk about how to use offset entities, mirror entities, and linear sketch pattern. Now first off, let's select this small rectangle to be offset. Once you select the rectangle, click Offset Entities button right here, and you will see a yellow line is formed outside of the small rectangle right here. And the rectangle is exactly 2 mm away from the original rectangle. If you want to make it bigger, just increase this value right here. Let's say 5, and you can see that the outside rectangle is now 5 mm away from the inside smaller original rectangle. You can reverse the directions and make it form an offset within the original rectangle by checking this reverse button. Now if you want it to be both inside and outside of the original rectangle, click the bi-directional buttons right here. Once you are satisfied with it, click the OK check sign here. Now you can see that a big rectangle and a small rectangle is formed, and you can see the smart dimensions showing that it's 5 mm away from the original rectangle. Now to use the mirror entities, simply click on the mirror entities button right here, and it will ask you to choose the entity to mirror. Simply click on a small rectangle right here, and now select or highlight the mirror about options there and click on the plane here to create a mirror about this plane. Once you are done with it, select OK. Next is using linear sketch pattern. Click once to enter the linear sketch pattern, and now let's make this circle to have a linear pattern across the lines right here. Click on the circle, and you'll see that another circle is formed in these directions, and you can set the directions apart by selecting the direction 1 and set the value to the value you have desired. Let's say 60. Now this is creating only one in the same patterns. You can increase the patterns by increasing this value right here, which says the number of instances. Increasing it, you will see the yellow circle is now increasing, showing more and more circle created. Click OK to form those circles. That is all about how to use offset entities, mirror entities, and linear sketch patterns. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.